Hello and welcome, sports enthusiasts and data-curious minds. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the heart of modern sports, the incredible impact of data analytics. For decades, the world of sports revolved around a sacred trinity: raw talent, a coach's gut instinct, and sheer hard work. A scout would watch a player and they had it. A coach would draw up a play based on decades of experience and a feel for the game's flow. And for a long time, that was enough. But what if I told you that instinct, while still valuable, is no longer the undisputed king? A seismic shift is underway, a quiet revolution happening not on the field, but inside servers and on analyst screens, driven by the raw, unblinking power of data. This isn't just about the box score anymore. We've moved far beyond counting goals or tallying assists. We're in an era where every single movement can be quantified, analyzed, and optimized. Think of the traditional approach like an ancient mariner navigating by the stars, effective but reliant on experience and clear skies. The modern data-driven approach is like having a global positioning system that not only tells you where you are, but also calculates the optimal route, predicts traffic, and reroutes you in real time to avoid delays. This is what sports analytics does. It provides a level of insight that was once the stuff of science fiction. We're talking about a transition from subjective observation to objective mathematical truth. The types of data being collected are staggering in their scope. It starts with wearable tech integrated directly into jerseys or worn by athletes. Tiny GPS units track a player's every step on the field, measuring total distance covered, top speed, and the number of high-intensity sprints. Accelerometers measure the physical toll of every jump, tackle, and change of direction. Heart rate monitors give a second-by-second look at a player's exertion levels. But it doesn't stop when they leave the field. Teams are now tracking biometric data like sleep quality, hydration levels, and even metabolic responses to nutrition. Every piece of information is a new pixel in an increasingly high-definition picture of an athlete's physical state. Then there's the game data itself. Sophisticated camera systems installed in stadiums track the X and Y coordinates of every player and the ball 25 times per second. This generates a torrent of information. It's no longer just about a pass being complete or incomplete. Analysts can now measure the speed of the pass, the distance between the passer and receiver, the defensive pressure applied, and the probability of that pass being successful under those exact circumstances. This fire hose of data is then fed into powerful computers that use machine learning algorithms to find patterns invisible to the human eye. These algorithms can learn a team's offensive tendencies, identify a defender's hidden weaknesses, or even simulate millions of game scenarios to find the highest percentage play in any given situation. So, how does this translate to actual wins? Let's look at a concrete example: injury prevention. An athlete's body is their most valuable asset, and a key injury can derail an entire season. By analyzing data from training sessions, AI can build a personalized performance baseline for each player. If a soccer player's sprint data shows a slight, almost imperceptible drop in acceleration over a 2-week period, or a pitcher's biomechanics show a tiny change in their arm angle, the system can flag it. This could be an early warning sign of fatigue or muscle strain, long before the player even feels pain. The coaching staff is then alerted and can proactively give the player a rest day or modify their training, preventing a minor issue from becoming a season-ending catastrophe. This isn't just a theory. Top teams across the NBA, NFL, and European soccer leagues are actively using these systems to keep their stars on the field. Beyond health, it revolutionizes strategy. Imagine a basketball team preparing for a big game. Their analysts feed thousands of clips of their opponent's offense into a model. The AI might discover that a specific star player shoots 15% worse when a defender forces them to their left, especially in the fourth quarter. Suddenly, the entire defensive game plan crystallizes around this single, data-driven insight. It's no longer a guess, it's a statistically validated strategy. This is how games are won on the margins. The result is a sport that is becoming more strategic, more precise, and more intelligent than ever before. This is the new frontier, where actionable insights are the most valuable currency. The fusion of human athleticism and machine intelligence isn't replacing the magic of sports, it's revealing a deeper, more complex layer of it. This data revolution proves that the game is no longer just played on the court or the field, but also in the code. It is our generation that is witnessing this incredible synthesis of talent and technology. Which sport do you think is most impacted by data analytics? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more, and see you soon.